The Xubus Node Series is suitable for various types of applications, starting from 5G and edge computing throughout the telecom business all the way down to some special applications. We consider the Xubus Node Series a perfect solution for the end customer because this is a prefabricated data center, pre-tested, and it can be easily deployed and installed at the end customer site within 1 working week.
The module is a great solution for clients in need of temporary or local data storage.
Or as a permanent solution when there's no space available within the building. When choosing this solution, the customer can expect a one-stop shopping for all the services-related business to the Xubus. This includes a single point of contact for all cooling, power or any other business-related items. The collaboration between Zwart and Delta is successful because where Delta stops, Zwart starts with their activities, so we are very complementary to each other.
Zwart fully understands customers' pain points. They understand that Xubus Node has to be kept up and running 24/7, 365 days a year. They have been fully trained, enabled, empowered by Delta, and they are able to execute this service in a seamless manner.
Delta makes an excellent partner to work with because of their deep knowledge about technology and products, including their worldwide support on their products.
Together, Delta and Zwart offer a holistic solution to the customer. Delta is a product and solutions leader in terms of technology, and Zwart is a service leader in Netherlands. We make sure that we offer a reliable product and solution, and Zwart makes sure that the product remains reliable and always available.